Hello guys. In this video, we will see that how to create APK for PhoneGap Android app. If you don't know how to create an app using PhoneGap, please watch my previous video. So let's get started. Go to the app folder and open config.xml file. Here you can change or set your app name, app ID, description, author name, and other stuff. Set the file name you want to open first after app starts. You can set preference if you want to lock screen to portrait or landscape mode. Otherwise, remove it. Then you need an app icon. Use a high quality icon with 512 by 512 pixels resolution. Include it in the config file. Make a zip file of the app. Open build.phonegap.com website. Create a free account and log in. After login, upload your zip file here. Click on Ready to Build button. Here you can download the app for all platforms. I am downloading for Android. APK file is ready for testing. You can copy this to your mobile and install it. But this file is not ready for uploading in the App Store. For uploading to the App Store you need to add signing key or certificate with your APK. So let's create the app key or certificate. Search for PhoneGap Build Certificate. Follow all the steps. Make sure Java is installed in your system. Set Java home directory. Copy this command. Now you need a key name, key alias name, and password for the both. The password could be the same or different. Replace key name and key alias in the command and copy it. Open CMD. Paste your command and hit enter. Enter the password and other details that asked. After creating the certificate, find the file and copy it. Go to the PhoneGap account and edit it. Click on Add a Key for Android. Enter your key name, key alias and upload the certificate file. Then you have to unlock it with your key or certificate passwords. Now open your app. Select your key for Android. APK is fully ready for upload to the App Store. Save your key or certificate and its passwords in safe place. These are very important. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Next video I will show you how to upload apps in Play Store.